What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. In Angry Birds Epic, decided to make a video today. I don't know why, but I'm about to get like a chest in the arena. It's pretty cool. It's pretty good. Wait, I have to refresh it. Like the never mind. We're really loud. So, pretty much, that's why I'm making a video. I'm going to get this chest right here. As you can tell, and like right here, they're really easy because I have the illusionist. Oh, nice. This guy has the ice druid. What do I have to do? Oh yeah, okay. Pretty much. So we will just do this. Complete it. Be done with the chest, and then I don't know what. XD. Oh no! Please don't kill my Chuck. I'm just kidding. Please kill him. I don't really want him to die, but you know, so life is. I just want him to for them to knock him out because he has this, the avenging will, isn't it? Yeah, last will. There it is. The last will, and everyone attacks those who remain, all the birds that remain. Scra, scra, scra. Now you will die, my child. Oh, nice time jump. And they're gonna kill my Chuck. Great. But we're gonna get the bonus attack. So, yeah. Yeah. Nice. Did it. We did it, my boys. So, pretty much that's what that's all we're gonna do. Oh, nice. Now I have 914. I don't know what to say, how to say that number right there. But we will be getting there sooner or later. And also, forgot to mention, right here, it's gonna be a Valentine's cannoneer. It's gonna do jealousy. It's pretty cool. Say so myself. I saw on Facebook, I saw their page, and they said that they're gonna add a samurai. A new samurai elite. But they're gonna do how do you call it? Superheroes. They said they're gonna do a new superheroes update. A new superhero. They did a little teaser that. So they did a little voting about which one would you rather, cowboy. Crap. I need to go to the page again. Gotta go check. Because I don't remember. That was the biggest mistake you've ever done. Now you will die. So I'll go check the Facebook page soon. After I get the chest. And here we go. There you go. Really easy. Oh crap, never mind. Killed my blues. So my Chuck does do strong damage. Really, really strong damage. Dang it! My bomb is stunned. This is the last bird I wanted stunned. Boom! Now you're all down. Just gonna do this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just trying to stall because like one of the things said to boom and boom. Oh. How do you go? Alright, I am back, guys. Sorry about that. I did finish the battle. I did win. Messed me up there. The kid. I guess I'll fight this fat adult faggot. Just kidding. Sorry for the language. Not really. This guy's got a really strong set, but I got stronger. Yeah. Yes. Good. Boom. Man, that was heavy hitter. What have you done, you foolish mortal? That's what happens. You foolish mortal. Oh my god, I hate Sprout. So he just wanted the blues to attack so he can freaking freeze. Frickin'. Boom. Oh, dead. I don't know. Oh no, you evil monster. Well, I guess I'll just finish everyone off. Boom. Yes, nice. It's pretty heavy hit. And then goodbye. You lost. It's pretty easy. Just did it with bomb. That's it. So I have finished. Yeah, okay. Just one more. Oh, wow. Never mind. If I just needed like 10 more, I would be so sad. No, please. Let me battle one more time. Don't be like that. No. Come on, dog. Alright, once I paused it, it immediately just freaking started. Oh, okay then. Really strong. Hopefully, we actually take him out. I'm just hoping we do. So he's just missing one set, and that one's for Matilda. But he's probably gonna, take him out. Holy crap, wait. Oh, never mind. Thought that said something that I thought it said. Well, this kid is gonna be annoying to deal with. Scraw. How much? I haven't even checked the house. Huh. That was a waste. Man, this kid is hard to deal with. This is illegal. Angry Birds, why are you doing this to me? This guy is getting critical, just guaranteed critical. Like, it doesn't say anything about guaranteed. You're gonna get guaranteed critical, my dude. Bruh. Scraw. Oh, shared the damage. Oh my god, why do your enemies get guaranteed whatever they want, but you don't? Yeah, see, this guy keeps getting guaranteed critical. What is this? Guaranteed critical? It's not even in his... Never mind. Yeah. Yeah, boom. Haha. Come on. Finish him off. Go for the banner. Oh, never mind. Yes, you dumb idiot. Boom. You lost. There we go. We've got the chest. Hoping for the illusionist. Man, 1 star. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. I'm just kidding. But yeah, pretty bad. Nah. So the season did end. Hoping for the illusionist, covering it cross guard. Yeah, see, this is the problem. Why do they give you something that you can't even use? This is stupid. Angry Birds, if you're looking at this video, this is stupid, whatever you just did. It's just stupid. Seriously. It's just stupid. Seriously? No, but seriously, it is stupid. You work all day for this. For a garbage class that you would never want, or would never like, or would never ever use, because you can't use it because you don't have it. Why? Anyways, gonna go to my Facebook. We're gonna go to Facebook, I mean. Yeah, search. Oh, never mind. Yeah. Scrolling down, posts. Oh. The heck? Wait, if this ain't love, then why does patch 2.7.0 feel so good? Valentine's Day and Valentine's event with its unique upgrades for Cannoneer, 5 new cosmic class upgrades, and truly madly many balancing changes. Spread the love and don't forget Google Play keeps peeps. Now need to install this patch to keep playing, and that requires Android 4.4 or higher. Yeah, see, cosmic class. Is this like the cosmic class? Like alien cosmic class? I don't get this one. The rainbow clock is ticking. Crack the game opening with the next 24 hours and starting your 8-hour golden pig machine bonus of 5 times chance of winning legendary with flying colors. What? When was this? January 27. Villains, I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh boy, that was some flocking awesome balancing feedback you guys gave us. Flap your wings because the upcoming update will feature many of them, also upcoming the Valentine event, mysterious class upgrades to unlock, and much more. Oh yeah, artist over here. Oh, just cracking one. Where is it? Oh, the lag. Yeah, couldn't they give us something instead of just sales? The lag. I like that art right there. Congratulations to this person. Yeah, see? Look, see? We couldn't be more thankful for the great years of some blah 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 blast everywhere like superheroes. See? New superheroes. The future awaits you along with more mayhem and flocking in. A fun time. Hope this is the samurai upgrade update. What? Yeah, see? Superhero class upgrades. Hope this is for the samurai, cause it will look really cool. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you like this video, and if you guys would like to add me on Facebook so we can both be friends in Amgry Birds Epic, get more things, you know, and also in Amgry Birds 2 if you want. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, And peace out. These are the voting things. Steampunk, Wild West, and superheroes. So peace out.